One day, Raju went to a restaurant along with his friend for lunch. He called the waiter.
How can I help you, sir?
Could I see your menu card?
Sure, sir. This is our menu card.
Raju ordered food and enjoyed the meal with his friends.
Please get the bill.
Sir, the bill amount is rupees 2000.
Can I pay by card?
Sure, sir.
Waiter took the card, walked away from Raju and swiped the card in a skimmer when Raju was not paying attention.
Sir, please provide the PIN for the card.
My PIN is 4586.
Later, the skim details of the card were given to a fraudster who cloned the card with all the card details and used those details to siphon off money from Raju's account.
Do not share your credit card and debit card PIN with anyone. And do not let credit and debit cards out of your sight. For social cause by Kardey Intanges and co-supported by Oneshell.